What's up, guys? It is purge day. What does that mean in my house? Well, it means it is Thursday and tomorrow we're going food shopping. So my job in this house is to get rid of as much as I can in 2 meals, lunch and dinner. So I think we have enough to make awesome fried rice. So let's get to it. All right, let's check out what we can use. Let's go with some peppers. Can't go wrong with peppers. Let's see what. All right, cool, so we got our vegetables done. Our rice is ready to go. It's nice and grainy, cold from a couple days ago, right? And like we said, we're gonna use shrimp. I'm gonna use 3 shrimps. This is gonna be 1 bowl for myself. This shrimp is already clean, deveined, so I'm literally just taking off the tails and just going to do a couple slices in each shrimp, right? Same thing with chicken, pork, steak if you're using. Just make sure they're small square pieces, that way they can cook all the way through. And we'll show you the process in a second on how to get that done. The pan is already hot. Again, we're gonna use high heat on this, right? And we're gonna start by using eggs. Okay, we're gonna start our 2 eggs, get those going. Second step before the rice and everything, so we're gonna do the egg first, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in the shrimp. The shrimp will get a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're just gonna add a tad bit of more oil right there. I use olive oil in the house. You guys, whatever oil you guys use is not a problem. I don't recommend you guys go straight up from sesame oil to fry your rice because it's super strong. So it's more of a seasoning type thing. But as you can see, the pan is still hot. So we're just gonna go straight up to throw in the rice. Now we're gonna let the rice do its thing. All our vegetables in, right there in the middle, right there. Might have too much broccoli, actually, maybe a little bit more. Some peppers, some ginger. All right, so we're cooking all the vegetables. Going on this fried rice, starting to smell good. Gonna make a little hole in the middle. Now, soy sauce. Sesame oil. Okay, now this is where it comes out of your taste. Okay, so we'll go ahead and taste this. Okay, I'm gonna say I need a little bit more sesame oil. And we are done. Alright, green onions. Don't even need to be turned on. And there we go. Fried rice. Alright, cool. So we are done with our fried rice. But I wasn't gonna leave you guys like that because although it's delicious, I still feel that it could be cooler, right? Maybe you're having date night at the house. So let's do something to make this thing look just bomb. All right. Again, we have the fried rice, but we're gonna switch it up, make it nice and presentable and just more fun. So why not? Here, so we're gonna go ahead and just crack 2 eggs, okay? I'm gonna crack 2 eggs and we are going to add just a tad bit of sesame oil. That's it. And we are going to beat the egg. Done, eggs are beat. And I reserved 3 pieces of shrimp. So, we're gonna make a shrimp omelet. So we are going to salt and pepper our shrimp. Then, a little bit of olive oil. Make sure that it's hot, it is. And we are going to go ahead and lay these down. All right, so we flipped our shrimps. They're pretty much cooked. So what's next is gonna be super quick. Make sure next to you have a flat spatula and you're just gonna add the egg around the shrimps, okay? Now you can see the side starts to work. Just pull it. Again, just pull the sides. Let the egg fall into those empty holes that you're making. See it like that? There you go. Like that. Alright, so we are pretty much done. Your call. You want the eggs and serve it like this, or you remove the eggs from there, you make a nice shrimp omelet, and you're gonna go and slide it on top, just like that, right? Just like that, and finish it off with some green onions, and one of my favorites, furikake. Just give it some nice colors, shrimp flavor, and there we go.